In this lesson, we'll take a quick look at the index area of the Search Console, an area of the system where you can see the status of and possible problems with the information about your site that Google has in its search index. We'll start with the index status. This area shows you basic information about the pages that Google has for this site in the index, both today and over time. Initially, you'll see the number of pages on the site that are indexed, but click the Advanced button and you can also see how many pages are blocked by your robots.txt file or robots meta tags, a subject we've looked at earlier in the course, and how many pages you've requested to have removed from the index. The Content Keywords option shows you keywords in your pages that are frequently repeated. You can click on a keyword to see where Google found the term and the variants of the term, plurals, possessives, past tenses, and so on. The Blocked Resources area is going to show you if anything Google thinks it should have access to has been blocked by robots.txt, components such as JavaScript, CSS, it's cascading style sheets, or images. Google needs these things to index the site properly. Finally, the Remove URLs area. This is where you can request that Google stops indexing a particular page. For instance, if for some reason you have to take a page off the site, perhaps for a legal reason, you can remove the page from the site and remove the URL here to ensure that Google takes it out of the index more quickly than it normally would. If you want to block a page that is going to remain on the site, though, the preferred method is to also block it using robots.txt or the robots meta tag. You might want to take a few moments now to review this information for your site. Is anything accidentally blocked? Does Google have all the pages in the index it should? This area of the Search Console provides a quick way to uncover problems.